Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a popular snack enjoyed by many around the world. These small, flat seeds are packed with nutrients and have a unique flavor that sets them apart from other seeds. One of the most well-known benefits of pumpkin seeds is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It helps to regulate blood pressure, maintain bone health, and support muscle and nerve function. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains nearly half of the recommended daily intake of magnesium. In addition to magnesium, pumpkin seeds are also a good source of zinc. Zinc is important for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin and vision. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of zinc, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and chronic diseases. Antioxidants help to neutralize these harmful molecules and reduce the risk of developing conditions like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Another benefit of pumpkin seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is important for digestive health as it helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a great choice for supporting a healthy digestive system. In addition to their nutritional benefits, pumpkin seeds are also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. They can be roasted and seasoned for a crunchy snack, added to salads for extra texture and flavor, or used as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls. Pumpkin seed oil is also available and can be used in cooking or as a salad dressing. When selecting pumpkin seeds, it's important to choose raw, unsalted seeds to maximize their nutritional value. Roasted and salted pumpkin seeds may be tasty, but they can be high in sodium and added fats. Opting for raw pumpkin seeds allows you to enjoy their natural flavor and benefits without any unnecessary additives. In conclusion, pumpkin seeds are a nutrient-dense snack that offers a wide range of health benefits. From their high magnesium and zinc content to their antioxidant and fiber content, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Whether enjoyed on their own or added to dishes, pumpkin seeds are a delicious and healthy addition to any diet. So next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer.